Malnutrition continues to plague Yemeni children nationwide. To make things worse, the World Food Programme announced reductions in international aid due to funding crisis. The Fong report has more details.
The groaning of this infant sums up the suffering of millions of children due to hunger. This scene is enough to show the weight of a child whose body is being ravaged by the specter of hunger. Her mother came with her from a mountainous village, a remote village west of Taiz, to Hais, south of Hodeidah, to receive health care and save her baby girl from malnutrition.
I came from a mountainous village with my daughter, and as you can see, she suffers from malnutrition. She also suffers from fever and diarrhea, and we had no medical centers in our village to treat her.
In Hodeidah, the malnutrition department at Hais Rural Hospital receives dozens of children suffering from acute and severe malnutrition every month, amid an increasing number of infected people, in conjunction with organizations reducing support and the majority of them withdrawing from health facilities in the south of the governorate. The beds of the department at Hais Hospital are full of children suffering from malnutrition and some bodies who are exhausted by hunger and disease. Barely they are able to swallow several liters of rationed milk, which was provided by humanitarian aid. Malnutrition has become a problem and a ghost that haunts children and their tiny bodies.
We receive in 1 month more than 30 to 40 cases. We give them the required treatment, and their state becomes usually stable. They come from Hais, Maqbana, and other villages close to Taz, and most of them are displaced. We wish the condition of the center to become better.
The cycle of war and poverty expands in the country, and cases of acute malnutrition increase with them. The health situation has become critical in Hodeidah and its remote areas, especially with organizations reducing support significantly and the withdrawal of some of them from malnutrition sections. Millions of Yemeni families are struggling to save their children from the specter of famine, like this mother who is doing everything she can to save her children who are suffering from malnutrition and the danger of death. Children in Yemen are paying the heaviest price due to the ongoing war. This made millions of children suffer from malnutrition as the war destroyed the country's economy, infrastructure, and water system.